What's up, y'all? This is Ariel, and welcome to Divine Motivation. Today's topic is how to manifest more money into your life. Now, in the society that we live in, we need money. If we want to have certain experiences, if we want to travel somewhere nice, if we want to go to a nice restaurant, if we want this new outfit, we have to have money. That's just how it is. And some people grow up with a wealth consciousness. They're taught that, hey, you always have more than enough. And so by the time that they're an adult, they've already got it. Money just comes to them easily, right? They really don't have to worry about where their next paycheck is coming from, or they probably have multiple streams of income or something like that. But what I mean is they're taken care of at all times, right? And then you have other people who grew up maybe not so fortunate, right? And so they grow up with the mindset of, you know what, it's hard to get money, right? I'm stressed about money. I'm stressed about how I'm going to get things paid. What am I going to do? And it's kind of like this deep-rooted belief that draws all these experiences to solidify the belief, right? To confirm the belief, right? And then the person that has the wealth consciousness, they draw all kinds of people, experiences, circumstances that confirm their belief that they're always taken care of. So the root idea here is to make sure that your beliefs are in line with what you actually want to experience. If you can be around people that have money, that are very successful, that are secure in their wealth, do that. Pick up on their energy. Study people that are successful. Go to YouTube and look up interviews of successful people and watch how they talk. Listen to what they talk about. Learn what they believe about themselves, right? Pick up on their confidence level. These things will help you to harness that energy so you can draw good things into your life, so you can draw wealth and security, financial security into your life. This is very important. And you need to make sure that when you wake up in the morning, your thoughts are in line with what you want. So tell yourself, hey, I have more than enough money. I always have more money. I have more money than I know what to do with. I have so much money that I don't have to worry about finances. I don't have to worry about how I'm going to get my bills paid. I don't have to worry. As you repeat those affirmations with conviction, your subconscious mind will begin to believe them. And don't be surprised when you start drawing people that want to do business deals with you, that want to give you a job, give you an opportunity to start making large amounts of money. Don't be surprised when you buy that lottery ticket and you end up winning. Don't be surprised because you're doing the work, because it's all about energy. It's about the vibration that you're putting off, because everything that you desire has a certain vibrational frequency to it. And once you align with that vibrational frequency, you can't help but to draw that thing, that experience, that person, that circumstance into your life. It's available to you at all times. You don't have to pay anything to do this. You can start doing this right now. You are so powerful. You know how powerful your mind is? Anything you desire, you can have. You have the ability to feel like you already have that thing right now. That's how you let God know, hey, this is what I want. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to experience. And he says, okay, gotcha, here you go. Here you go, have fun. But on the other hand, when you wake up with a bad attitude, in a horrible mood, mad at the world, mad that you have to go to your 9 to 5, feeling stressed out, feeling anxious, what are you telling God? This is what I want more of. I want to feel more stress, right? I want more anxiety. I want more fear. That's not what you want to do. And see, that's how people get caught up. That's how people get caught up, and that's how you can feel stuck, but you're really not stuck. You're offering that vibration off. So you really have to be careful about what you are putting out. Also, you've got to visualize, you've got to see it in your mind. See yourself clearly having the amount of money that you want to have and doing the things that you want to do with the money. Then add feeling to it. Make yourself feel like you've already got it. And you will have it, right? If you want to start a business, ask yourself, what is my purpose? What am I good at? What are my talents? What did God put me on this earth to do? And once you discover that, find out how you could share that with people, how you could give a service to people, and how you can monetize it. Because everyone on this earth has a purpose. I'm a firm believer in that. So make sure you're tapping into that purpose. I'm not sure where you are in life. I don't know what drew you to this video, what made you click on this video to listen to what I have to say. But I will tell you this, that all things are possible. You could be in the worst position that you've ever been in your life today, and this information will help you reach your goals. It's available at any time. You just have to tune into it and actually use it. Actually apply it. You are so powerful. You are a walking creator. You're a walking creator and you're creating all the time. You just have to make sure that you're not working against yourself. So many people unknowingly work against themselves every day by the predominant moods and attitudes and feelings that they project out into this world. And if you want lots of money, you better get the money mood. People that have a lot of money, they have a certain mood, they have a certain energy about themselves. You better latch on to that. You better harness that and put that out. And then you'll start attracting it. It's very, very simple. It's a simple idea. It just has to be practiced like anything else. And make sure that you feel worthy. Make sure that you feel deserving of all the money that you desire. Because you're a human being on this earth and you have goals, you have things you want to do, you have places that you want to go, and you deserve to be able to go. You deserve to be able to achieve your every good desire. There is nothing wrong with that. And guess what? There is nothing in the way. You're not stuck. All you have to do is tune into the frequency of wealth, of prosperity, of happiness, of peace, and you will achieve it. I believe it for you. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I make a new video. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching, that information will be in the description. And if you would like to donate, that information will be in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.